How to say I love you in French. Most of the people already know it. It's je t'aime. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. And I'm always saying devocalizing the e in je will sound more natural because most of the people will say it that way. But when you're saying a powerful expression like je t'aime, you really want to emphasize on all the words. Unless it's something that you say quite often, many times, je t'aime, oh je t'aime. But if you really want to show your true feelings, then you will not devocalize e here. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Here in North America, we use I love you for anything pretty much. I love you, man. I love my friends. I love sushi. I love guacamole. We love everything. Even if we have a less strong word, which is like. I like this, I like that. And sometimes actually when you have a crush on someone, you can say I like him. But in French, we only have one verb, which is the verb aimer. And so if you want to convert I love you to I like you, you'll just add bien, which actually means good. Literally, I love you good. Je t'aime bien. Je t'aime bien would be towards a friend. So you could be friend zoned with je t'aime bien. So when someone says je t'aime, wait for it. And you can also tease the other person. Je t'aime bien. Other ways to say I love you, there is this game. It's removing the petals of a flower and counting and saying je t'aime un peu. Un peu means a little. Beaucoup, a lot. Passionnément, passionately, à la folie, madly, and some might add pas du tout. Not at all, I don't like you at all. Je t'aime un peu, beaucoup, passionnément, à la folie. And you go back to un peu, beaucoup, passionnément. So in this case, I think it makes more sense to replace love by like. I like you a little, I like you a lot, I love you passionately, I love you madly. Je t'aime un peu, je t'aime beaucoup, je t'aime passionnément, je t'aime à la folie. Just like enchanté de vous rencontrer. Convert that to tutoiement, it becomes je suis enchanté de te rencontrer. Same in French, you say je t'aime. But if you want to be polite to the other person, which is rarely the case, because usually if you're intimate with a person, you would use the tutoiement. But it could happen that you say je vous aime. Or if you want to respect, like in old-fashioned families, for example, people would speak to their grandparents in the vouvoiement, and so they would say je vous aime, but most of the time, maybe 90% of the time, people will say je t'aime aussi. I love you too. You love me? I love you too. Je t'aime aussi, je vous aime aussi. I love you too. Aussi means too. Je vous aime aussi, je t'aime aussi. Actually, I love you all. You can say je vous aime tous. I love you all, je vous aime tous. I love you so much. Je t'aime fort. Fort is strongly. I love you strongly. Je t'aime fort. Or you can add très, which means very. So I love you so very much. Je t'aime très fort. Je t'aime très fort. Je t'aime très fort. Okay, now a bit more cheesy sentences. I love you with all my heart. I love you with all my heart. Je t'aime de tout mon cœur. Je t'aime de tout mon cœur. So je t'aime, I love you. De tout, de, from, to, all, my, mon, cœur, heart. De tout mon cœur, with all my heart. Je t'aime de tout mon cœur. Okay, another cheesy sentence. I love you more than anything. Je t'aime plus que tout. Je t'aime plus que tout. Some people will skip the S and would say je t'aime plus que tout. That's also fine. Je t'aime plus que tout. Plus, more, que, than, to, anything or everything. Je t'aime plus que tout. Je t'aime plus que tout. I miss you. I miss you. Tu me manques. Tu me manques. In English, I am the one missing you. But in French, it's a little different. Manquer, it's you that is conjugated. Tu me manques. I miss you. Tu me manques. I need you. I need you. J'ai besoin de toi. J'ai besoin. J'ai is I have. Besoin, the need. De toi, of you. J'ai besoin de toi. J'ai besoin de toi. De, here you can devocalize the E. J'ai besoin de toi. Contract it to make it more natural. J'ai besoin de toi. J'ai besoin de toi. Actually, the D is almost silent. It's like a double consonant. J'ai besoin de toi. J'ai besoin de toi. J'ai besoin de toi. I need you. I want you. I want you. Je te veux. Je, I, te, you, veux, want. You can devocalize the E, but you have to choose which one to devocalize. And both actually work. So you can say je te veux or je te veux. Je te veux, je te veux. Je te veux, je te veux, je te veux. I think of you. I think of you. Je pense à toi. Je pense à toi. Je pense à toi. Je pense, I think, à, of, toi, you. I think of you. Je pense à toi. Je pense à toi. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments, and don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. Merci et à bientôt. Thank you and see you soon.